Have you ever wondered how do we make your Cureskin Kit? Let's find out in this video. After you download the Cureskin app, your skincare journey begins. First up, a chat section appears. Here, you will need to answer few easy but very important questions about your lifestyle and health. For example, what skin products you currently use, or do you have any hormonal health issues? Knowing your current skin products will help us know if any of them is harming your skin. Knowing about your hormonal health will help us find out the root cause of your skin concerns. Please answer these questions in detail as they let Cureskin doctors understand your skin better. After this comes the second step, taking your skin analysis. For this, just click your front and side face photos on the app. Make sure the picture quality is optimal and the photos have been taken in good lighting. Our unique AI technology will then analyze your photos to find out even the smallest of your skin concerns. You will see them on the screen as soon as you take your analysis. After completing your chat and AI analysis, a Cureskin doctor will be assigned to you. The doctor will go through your chats and carefully study your skin analysis to prepare a complete skin treatment kit for you. This kit will not just target your skin concerns, but also work towards making your skin healthier in the long term. Your kit will be delivered to you in 5 days. Post that, our doctors will take your skin checkup every month to assess the improvement in your skin. These checkups help our doctor monitor your treatment and make any necessary changes. So this is how we doctors make your Cureskin Kit. These are not just some products, but personalized, doctor prescribed and highly effective skincare kits that will keep your skin healthy and happy forever. What are you waiting for? Start your healthy skin journey today.